Look, crypto trading is hard enough. It's hard enough already. You don't need Tom, the crypto guru, drawing 1,000 different lines, using 1,000 different indicators on 1,000 different charts, making it even harder and more complicated than what it needs to be. Besides, the truth is, a lot of these so-called gurus don't even know what in the blue smurf they are doing themselves, let alone teach you how to do and what to do with it. So look, in this video, I'm not going to show you how to trade from scratch. Seriously, you need a lot of time, a couple of courses, a few books, and hand-on experience to learn how to do that. But what I am going to do, I am going to show you how to use select AI crypto tools, which are completely free, to help you trade, make better decisions, and fact check all these so-called gurus with a simple click of a button, so you know who is real, who is fake, and over time, learn how to trade using AI. Because let's face it, AI is here to stay. And saying no to AI is like saying no to technical analysis when it first started being used, or no to the internet, or no to any other innovation out there that just became reality. TA, technical analysis, in the beginning, it gave you a huge advantage. Now AI will give you a huge advantage. And if you can combine the two, well, you'll see what I mean in just 1 minute. Now, I have been in crypto since 2017, not just as an investor, not just as a trader, but a C-level executive, speaker, and author in this space. I have and own my own indicator on TradingView. I used to teach TA in the Forex industry. Basically, I know my shit. And this is what I'm seeing right now. Beginners basically don't know where to begin. And I want to give you 3 basic rules before I give you 3 free crypto tools or AI tools that will help you trade, because you need to know a couple of things before we dive in. Because otherwise this video, it won't give you much justice. So let me give you 3 rules, and I'll give you 3 tools, if that makes sense. First of all, trading off of the news. Listen, there's news for the masses and news for the classes. We only get the news for the masses. So if you are trading off of news, you are either too late, or it's already priced in, or you're basically getting dumped on. And you can see this every time you traded off the news. I bet you most of the time it got you wrecked. Besides, if you are doing TA, you don't watch the news. There's no point. It defies the purpose of TA, of technical analysis. As a matter of fact, it can skew with your analysis, make you bias, make emotion or create emotion, and give you the wrong trade. So we don't trade off of news. Show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. Number 2, there are different types of trading systems, different time frames, and different types of indicators. And no, you don't need to know every single one. You don't need to be a day trader. You can actually be a long-term investor or swing trader and only use a couple of indicators, if that. That's basically what I personally do. I'm an investor and swing trader. I do not day trade. That means you may just take a couple of trades a month, if that, and play long-term time frames. Day trading is hell. You need to be on the charts all day, and you make multiple trades, take multiple small profits, and it's extremely hard. I don't day trade. I hate day trading. And if I day trade, I certainly won't be making YouTube videos. There's no time. There is no time, and you need to be glued on your computer or on your laptop all day. So, not for me. Now you might say, Paul, but most channels on YouTube, they're day trading. Yes, but you have to think why. Because it allows them to make more content. people don't really watch swing trading videos. They don't watch trading videos which can take months to play out, where you're sitting there in range waiting for a breakout for months. And no YouTuber is gonna sit there making one video a month or make the same video every day saying, we are in the range. We need to wait. Trust me, I know. You can see that on my channel most of the time. Well, we're sitting on our hands. Anyway, you don't need to be a day trader. You don't need 1,000 indicators. You need a couple of indicators and you can play longer time frames. Besides, some of the most profitable traders in the world only do a couple of trades a year. Now, third of all, there's all these stupid sayings like death cross means we are going much lower, and ooh, it sounds scary, or the gap must fill, or even just buy the dip, which is retarded. First of all, death crosses means you are usually getting closer to a reversal or bottom. Why? Because it's a lagging indicator. As for gaps, they don't need to fill. You're not supposed to say they need to fill. They're used as support and resistance. And finally, buying the dip into poordom, well, it's just retarded. It's stupid. It doesn't work. So how can you use AI to help you trade? It's very simple. Let me show you. All right, so first of all, you can use something like Crypto TA Reality Checker. Let me show you what that looks like. So if you come to this website right here, aicryptosuite.com, you will see Crypto TA Reality Check. Let's click that. And I will bring you to this GPT specifically built for crypto markets. And there are a couple of things you can do with this AI. First of all, you can just upload a screenshot of the chart and just ask it to tell you what the market is doing. Second of all, you can ask about candlestick patterns that fail in crypto. So why would this pattern fail if you want to check somebody? You can ask it what needs to happen for something to turn bullish or bearish on any given chart. And you can ask it to show the full trading approach it uses with a free masterclass so you can understand exactly how this works. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna upload a chart to this GPT. So let's just go to CoinMarketCap over here, and I have Zcash open, but you can do this with any coin. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna get a screenshot. So we're gonna click print screen. And what we wanna do is we want to grab the top chart over here, the top of this chart. We then wanna go back to the reality checker. And then what we're gonna do is just paste the chart, okay? We just paste the chart over here, and you can ask any question or you can just upload it and see what it says. So this is gonna analyze the chart for you, and it's actually gonna give you its analysis. So first of all, it's gonna give you the market environment, the big picture, if you will, and tell you exactly what's going on in the market. It's then gonna give you structure. This is the most important part, and tell you where to look and what needs to be done for it to turn bullish or bearish over here. It gives you the price behavior, what price is attempting to do. This is extremely important so you know what positions to take. It gives you some candles analysis. This is crypto candles, candlesticks specifically made for crypto. Not all candlesticks are specifically made for crypto. I have a whole course I made for that. This actually tells you exactly what's going on with the candles for cryptocurrency. Then what's missing and why acting early is risky in this case over here, and what needs to be done. You can also upload charts from YouTubers, ask if they're wrong or right, or why are they wrong. It will tell you based on my personal trading system that I use. Not using the factor line, we'll talk about that later on, but basically if you had to start from scratch with no indicators, with free indicators, how you would trade. This does basically the trading for you, explains it to you. That way you can fact check, you can learn, you can take shortcuts and, do further analysis after it gives you the big picture, or even confirm your analysis, okay? So that's Crypto TA reality checker. Now, let's look at the next free AI crypto tool. So if we come back to AICryptoSuite.com over here, and by the way, I'll leave the links to this in the description down below along with the tools. The next tool you can see is CoinScan over here, which is also a GPT. So let's just open that. And what CoinScan does is it looks at on-chain analytics and tells you if the project is a scam or the probabilities of it being a scam with warnings. So you can basically give it a cryptocurrency, just tell it the cryptocurrency ticker or its chain, give it the smart contract, give it the project URL, and ask it if it's a honeypot or not based on the contract address. And you don't even need to do all this. You could just put any coin in here. So for example, let's just use Turbo Coin, for example, okay? What it's going to do is look on chain, look at smart contracts, and give you a rundown. So you're going to have it think for a little bit, and it's going to tell you, look, this is medium risk. Now, why is this medium risk? It explains it's a meme coin with no inherent utility and so on. It gives you the contract address over here so you can actually check and make sure you're not getting scammed if there's another imposter with another ticker, for example. It tells you the fixed supply. It tells you a whole bunch of stuff. On-chain signals over here to look at, dev signals. This is not checked over here, but it checks to see if they are working on it and so on. It basically tells you about the coin and if it's a scam. Now, Turbo Coin is a medium risk, but you can also check for honeypots and so on. So this is another crypto tool that you can actually use. Then there's another one. Let me show you the other crypto tool that you can use for free. So we are back at AICryptoSuite.com and I'm going to show you, is my coin dead? And you can find this at ismycoindead.com. And by the way, I'm going to show you another tool right after this one that's incredible. So make sure you stick around because you don't want to miss the next tool. But let me show you ismycoindead.com real quick. So let's just click ismycoindead.com. You can also come to ismycoindead.com, the website right here directly if you want. And right here, you can enter your crypto coin. So let's put Turbo Coin over here. Click check coin, and as you can see, it's giving you a moderate opportunity cost check. Now, why is it giving you this? This is the important part here. First of all, it's marking performance versus Bitcoin. This is for opportunity cost. The volume trend right now is declining, and your price structure is neutral. Basically, signals are mixed. Opportunity cost is moderate versus Bitcoin. Now, if you want to look at developer health, this is actually locked right now. All you have to do is put your email address in here, and this will give you 5 advanced checks a day, give you health, and give you more within the project that you can check over here. Again, it's completely free. So you can use these AI crypto tools. These are completely free. And if you come back to AI Crypto Suite over here, AICryptoSuite.com, you can see more crypto tools, and I'll be adding more as time goes on. Now, let me tell you something important. Listen, AI crypto tools are great. They are great. They really are. They can save time. I built these to save me time. I literally use these myself when I look at sponsors, when I have people ask me on YouTube videos, when I do my own analysis. I don't go around checking on-chain metrics. I don't have time. I use these AI crypto tools, but it's not enough. AI crypto tools alone is just not enough. You need to know how to trade. You need to know at least the basics of how to trade. You need an indicator. It can be any indicator, doesn't matter. I use the factor line, but you need to learn how to trade. That way you can further your analysis, and the combination of AI crypto tools plus trading can really help you get ahead of your competition. Now, One thing I want to propose for you, if you allow me, is to use the factor line. The factor line is my own indicator, which we built for swing trading. It's specifically made for crypto. It features an AI crypto coach that can answer your questions and do analysis for you and put you in coaching mode. And it comes with my course, Invest, Trade, and Think like the crypto factor. So you learn how to invest like me, how to trade like me, and the psychology behind what I do. So if you watch my videos, especially, and you see it, you saw what I've done so far since 2017 in crypto, this may be the course for you. Regardless, you need an indicator. And this comes with a simple indicator made for crypto. Let me just show you what it's like, then you can decide if it's for you or not. All right, so look, here is the factor line. This is the weekly chart. And all you have to do with the factor line is pretty much buy when it's gold and sell when it's red. It's actually very simple. This is the weekly. Now, there are more things to this. Just bear with me. There's the trend stacker over here that helps you make decisions and so on. But let me just show you the weekly chart first. This is the long-term chart. Basically, if you bought right here, and you sold right here, which is a little bit lower, even if you sold over here, you would be good. So you basically buy when it's gold and you sell when it's red. Let's just go to the daily real quick, because I teach in my course, you have to look at all time frames. And what you will see is that this indicator also gives you ranges. So basically you combine the range with breakouts. So for example, over here, it told you to buy. It told you to buy right here, bottom of the range. This is easy. Your stop loss is under the previous low, or even this one over here if you're a bit more risky. I actually talk about this in my course, but basically you buy gold, it comes up, if it breaks out the range, you double down, and you sell when it goes red. Very simple. Buy gold, sell red. And yes, there's some chop over here, and we talked about this in the course, and we gave examples, but basically that's it. And you can do this on multiple time frames. Now, when you are in a range, the rules change a little bit because you're basically swing trading the range. For example, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell in the range, and the confirmations are treated differently. But basically, this is the indicator. This is the factor line. You have the trend stacker over here that shows volume, momentum, and a couple of other factors that helps you double down. And if you watch my videos, this is the indicator that I personally use to make all my calls that, if you watch my channel, you know are playing out very well. You have some options within the indicator over here, some settings. You can ask it to find candlestick patterns for you, swing failure patterns so you can trade ranges or swing trade, range patterns, which I suggest you always have on, of course, double tops in wings or body, whatever. You'll learn about what these are in the course. There's candlestick profiles if you want to go really advanced into day trading, which we don't really do. You have the factor flow. If you turn this off, you can go a little bit more deep into actually seeing the cloud and how this trades, and you have notifications and so on. It's a very, very good indicator made specifically for crypto. And again, it comes with the Invest, Trade, and Think like the Crypto Factor course with the AI coach and everything. If that's something you like, if that's something you want, I'll leave the link in the description down below. I'll leave a QR code over here. But regardless, whether you get this or not, it doesn't matter. Use the free AI crypto tools. That will give you the advantage. Fact check everyone, fact check me using the tools, and learn an indicator or two. You don't need to learn 1,000 indicators, and make sure you trade on longer time frames and you will be just fine. Be a swing trader and investor, or an investor, or just a swing trader, or both, doesn't matter. But don't day trade, don't overwhelm yourself. Don't think there's 1,000 different things you need to learn. You do not. You just need to keep things simple, and you need a structure, you need a system, and someone to guide you to be able to do that. So whether you want to buy the course, again, it's in the description down below, or watch my videos for free and learn over time and use your own indicators, that's perfectly fine for me. But there are a lot of myths. There are a lot of myths out there that are getting you wrecked. And if you want to know what those are so you can start making money and stop getting wrecked, make sure you watch this video right here. This gives a lot of value. This video will change the way you trade and invest forever. So make sure you watch that video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.